Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the blue pea plant, and if you go to any Indian garden, you will be able to find this plant. This is a very common flower. This flower also has spiritual and cultural significance. Do you know this plant also has many benefits? I have already uploaded many videos on this. But one of the main problems that people get of this plant is that even after their plant is bushy and healthy, they do not get any flowers. So I'll be telling you some tips and tricks of this plant on how you can get blooms. First, make sure that this plant has enough sunlight. Second, make sure that you're not overwatering or underwatering. Third, make sure that this plant does not have any pests or problems. Also, make sure that you're using the right type of soil. Also, make sure to not over-fertilize, as these plants are not overfeeders at all. But even after doing all of this, if you're not getting any flowers, then there's one thing you need to do, which is that you have to prune this plant time to time. Yes, this will help your plant get more flowers. And within a week of pinching your plants, you'll be finding a difference in it. But in the starting, you'll be noticing that your plant's getting really little flowers. Now to get more flowers, we are going to give you a fertilizer. Actually, you can give the fertilizer to any of the plants. The fertilizer I'm going to be telling you is actually a potassium-rich fertilizer. And a potassium-rich fertilizer will help your plant get more blooms. So what is the fertilizer? As you already know, banana has lots of potassium. So do you know, instead of throwing away the banana peels, you can actually make a fertilizer with it? Yes, first of all, cut these banana peels into pieces. After that, put it in a large jar. Then simply add some water. If you wish, you can add some bioenzyme in it. Then after a week of keeping it in a shaded area, make sure that you strain it. But before giving this solution to the plant, make sure that you dilute it. Also, I advise you not to give any liquid fertilizers during the rainy season. But if it is the rainy season right now, there's another thing you can give to your plants, which is that simply collect the banana peels and make them sun dry. Then after that, turn them into a powdery form. Then simply give it to the plant. Look at the amount of flowers this plant has got. You can actually do one more thing to the plant which actually helped us as well, which is that we changed the position of where we were keeping this plant. Like earlier, we were keeping it in such a position where this plant would only get 4 to 5 hours of sunlight. But recently, we shifted it into a more sunnier area. And because of that, the plant has actually got more flowerings as well. Do you also want to know how to take care of a small blue pea butterfly plant? We have actually uploaded many videos on this. But I'll still give you one tip. Make sure that you keep on pinching your plant because it helps in the growth and development of the plant. Also, during the growing season, you don't need potassium-rich fertilizers. Just give a little kitchen waste compost and your plant will be fine. If you want to know more tips and tricks, make sure to check out our channel and watch the other videos. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.